Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure you do hit that subscribe as well as little bell icon. It will just alert you when I put out new content. So I do have my daughter with me. She's been enjoying these unboxings. Tell everyone your name.
Tessa.
And she actually has started trying to have her own closet, especially now that she's out of school for the summer. So her closet name on Poshmark is TJ's Vintage. And she just kind of has a few things right now that she has found. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start this unboxing. It looks like this one is going to be part of a men's box, which is 100 pounds of men's. It ended up being just shy, I think, of $400 because I did get it on sale. It might have been $350. Might have been $350 because it's normally $400 and then like $430 after taxes and stuff. So it might have been like $350. I'll try to insert that here, but the goal is to get as many items as possible that I'm able to actually sell, and I don't have to redonate it. I don't have to take it to Plato's or Style. But we don't know what's inside, so that's going to be the surprise for us to unbox, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do it popcorn style, and if she's not familiar with the brand, she's just going to show you guys the brand on camera. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first item, the last men's box, I didn't get a whole lot of dress, which I was excited about because I don't like to sell dressy items, like as far as blazers and dress pants and stuff. I feel like they're a hard sell. And it looks like right on the top here is lots of men's dressed up. But this is Ralph Lauren. So depending on the size, I may sell it, but it kind of looks like it might be a really, really big size, which might be a hard sell.
Here's this camo blue, and it's long sleeve, and here's the brand.
Yeah, but it's not like a super known brand, but it's in new condition, so that's a good thing, I guess. Puritan, which is these look like they're super war too. And older but not vintage older, so redonate pile more than likely.
Here's this nice peach shirt. It's short sleeves, and here's the brand.
And here is another Ralph Lauren pant. It looks like maybe that might have been part of a set, but I don't know because these seem a lot smaller than the other one. But yeah, just some dress pants.
Here's a nice white shirt. It's long sleeve, and here's the brand. Oops.
So just go a little bit here. Grab that for them. Go a little bit closer for them to be able to see it just a little bit better. Right like that, just because back here it's kind of far for them.
Okay.
All right, this one is just Goodfellow & Co., which is just a Target, but it's like new, so that'll be a Plato's item.
Here's some nice black pants. And here's the brand.
And another shirt. I don't know how to pronounce that one. It doesn't feel like really good material, so we'll just have to see. Maybe it's just a sleeve. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think this is a great item, but hey, hopefully the next box.
Here's a nice black shirt with some detail on it. Looks like just a plain, maybe redonate.
Okay, it looks like a women's got put in here, which is just an apartment 9.
This is a black pair of Forever 21 shorts.
And then just like a fast fashion top, probably like an Amazon or something, boutique brand. Nothing crazy.
This is a gray shirt, it's long sleeve, and then this is the brand.
Okay, you have an Under Armour piece. The one thing with Under Armour is just making sure there's no cracking or fading on the screen printed tags. And this one's in good shape, so that's a good, what do you call it? Bread and butter flip. I had a brain fart there.
This is a nice little
It's a sweater.
It's new with tags, but it looks like somewhere else.
Another dress item, of course. This one feels nice. It's Ralph Lauren, but this one looks like a newer Ralph Lauren tag, so maybe we'll list it. I'm not sure. It's a 46L. It just seems like that might be a big size, but again, we'll see.
Here's this nice striped shirt. It looks dressy. So here's the tag.
Okay, this one is Brunello Cucinelli. I feel like I just got one of these and it was a good, I ran them when I ran the comps, it was good comps, but I'm not for sure. So this will be one I have to look up.
This looks like an old jacket, but it's probably new. But here's the tag.
That is so cool. Yeah, show the back of it. I really like that one. What is that?
Me too.
High Panda. It's definitely not an old brand, but that
Looks
could
like
be
an old retro style.
something. Yeah, that could be something special. Kind of felt like there was something in the pockets, but I don't know. Okay, so the next item is another pair of dress pants. That is just Ralph Lauren again. So more than likely these are probably sets, I would say, with the blazer.
Here's this nice, like, it has the leaves on it, if you could tell. But here's the brand. It's a nice short sleeve shirt.
Just Goodfellow and Co. The same with this one. But I do like this kind of print, the skateboard print. I think definitely going to be a Plato's Closet one, though. The same with the other one, just because Goodfellow isn't a good bread and butter brand. Honestly, it'd probably take forever to sell.
Here are these nice pair of pants. Here's the brand. I can't pronounce it.
I think that's a kid's brand. Looks like a kid's. Oh, Kunji? Definitely looks like maybe a kid size. All right, another pair of dress pants, and this one is Ralph Lauren again. Maybe I'll go ahead and try and list just because that is like 5 items so far, and at least they're in good condition.
Here's this one pair of Nike shoe. It looks like the size thing is out.
No, it's not. It's in here. It's literally right there. It's a 13.
That's a big size.
Right, next, I have a Frank and Eileen. So it's crazy because this is another one. I got one of these in another men's box and then another men's box prior. And then Frank and Eileen is actually a brand that retails for quite a bit. And the resale is there, but it's just not as high as the retail, obviously. But so that's going to be a good item.
This is a purple nice men's shirt.
It's like a cut-off vest type shirt, huh?
Here's the brand.
Oh, just Champion. Grayers, Clothiers. I'll let you guys read it and see. I'm not familiar with this brand, but this is just a nice kind of polo, lightweight shirt.
Here's these Columbia pants.
Oh, wow. Those look huge. What size do we got here? Oh, they're just extra, extra large. But, hey, they're like snow pants, so that's like a great find, honestly, because Columbia's kind of fell off a little bit, but if you can find like nice pieces like that, they do pretty well. This is just Club Room, which I believe is probably just like a Kohl's or department store brand. More than likely going to be a Plato's Closet item.
This is a nice jacket. It has a bunny on the back.
Yeah, let's say it's a bunny. That's a nice, that feels like real leather. And this is actually a women's, and it's a medium. Sorry, I didn't mean to just take that over from you. But that does feel like real leather. But yeah, that's a bunny. It is. It's bunny.
Oh.
Okay, moving on. Weatherproof, which thankful for you guys. You guys helped me out tremendously by letting me know brands in the comment section. But I've heard Weatherproof is actually a decent brand for reselling. Just kind of like some khaki shorts, men's shorts.
A black shirt, and this is the brand.
And All in Motion. So kind of like an Old Navy brand, just lightweight shorts. Plato's Closet.
This is the other Nike shoe.
And those are in new condition. And size 13, what? That's a great size to resell. And another. Oh my gosh, all these dress outfits. But I can't find, oh, just an INC. Okay. So this one's just an INC, but it looks like a fairly new style. So maybe I'll steam it and just go ahead and try and sell it. We'll see.
Here are these Vans. They're in like new condition.
Wow, those are super nice. Why did you get all the cool shoes? I got these grandpa shoes.
They're size
I'm trying to grab the other one for you guys.
10 in men's.
Size 10, that's a great find. Okay, so I got these Lands' End men's leather shoes, and they are like new, but they are tiny. So these are a size 8 in men's. Yeah, so those are tiny, but they're like new. Maybe Plato's Closet would take it.
Here's this tie. It has this
Of course, it wouldn't be
printing.
a thread-up box without a tie in it, for sure.
Here's the brand. I know, right?
All right, so Joe's A Bank sweater.
Here's another tie.
This is like
Here's
the
the
first
brand.
time. Oh, sorry. This is the first time I've ever gotten Hollister in one of the boxes, which is surprising because Hollister, you feel like you would find it quite a bit. But yeah, it's just an extra small. That is definitely a Plato's Closet because it's just something plain.
Here's this nice dressy shirt. It's long sleeve. Here's the tag.
All right, Anco Active. This is in decent condition. It does feel like there might be just like a little bit of like peeling going on or something, but it's still in good condition.
Oh, here's Puma.
No, not Pumbaa, it's Puma.
Puma, honey.
Those look super dated though, like the early 2000s. I still think they'll sell,
They're
but
size 11.
yeah, those definitely
And-
like back when I was in high school style.
They look nice and new. So
Yeah, that is a good thing. ISO Perform. So I don't really list ISO, but I feel like this Perform would probably be a good item to list. It's a great size too. I think it's a large, so.
here are some socks.
Yeah.
They're kind of new, but like they like got ripped up in the box.
Every
It's
thread up box I get, there's always something small like this in it, like socks, underwear, but they're always new, which is a good thing. But yeah, some of them I'm able to sell, and some of it, like this, I won't be reselling. Oh my goodness. This is a great find. My other two men's box had Vince in it, and it was new with tags, and this is new with tags too. So this is awesome, and it says reversible. What size are we? It's just a medium reversible, like
How much?
jacket or something. They ripped off the original price tag, so
Really?
that's gonna be a really great item in this box.
Here are these nice Flamingo.
My
Pants.
face is right here.
Sorry. They're new with tags, so that's good.
But DF is just,
Here's the brand.
it's just like a Kohl's brand or something, I do believe.
36 by 46.
All right, this one is Joseph and Feiss, I think. Let me know if you know. It's definitely extremely wrinkly, so this will be one that will have to be steamed before I get it listed.
Here are these Levi's pants.
Abercrombie new with tag, size large, kind of like jogger, kind of windbreaker material, but not quite. It definitely feels nice, but
Here's this blue, nice, like winter or like fall jacket.
probably a fall.
Yeah. But you should feel how thick it is. Here's the brand.
Yeah, that's a decent brand. Okay, so this one is a super heavy duty jean jacket, but look how cool it is. I almost bet this is a good find, more than likely, just because of the quality of it. I can just feel.
There's this nice light-weighted shirt with long sleeves. Looks like a light fall. Here's the tag.
And this is the last item. Oh, this is a great find. Lululemon. Wish there was more, but yeah, it's a men's Lululemon size 34. Okay, so that was everything in the box. I'm gonna count, well, we're gonna count. She'll count one pile, I'll count one pile, and we'll be back to let you know how many I got in this first box of men's. Hold on. All right, guys, we're back. So we had
57 items.
And that was all sellable items. Now I just need to kind of disperse them and figure out what needs steamed, what I'm going to be taking to Play-Dohs, and what I'm going to be listing, well, sending to my lister so she can get them drafted for me to list right away and get started. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you do go check out my daughter's closet. Again, it's TJ's Vintage. And do hit that little bell icon so you're alerted. I will be putting out a ton of these unboxings because I jumped on that sale they were having. So as always, thank you, and I hope that you all have an awesome day.